What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. My name is Shane Jaffe. I'm the Manufactured Housing Expert. We are at Lanakai Lane, an all-age manufactured housing community in Carlsbad. We're just minutes from the Carlsbad Village, where there's a lot of shopping. This is a beautiful 5-star community with ocean views, but right now we're going to be touring this BD-21. This home is 20 feet wide by 52 feet long, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's a beautiful home. Let's go take a look at this home. We're in the middle of construction, but this is a great example of a 6-foot half factory built front porch. We can add a factory built front porch to any model. Let's go take a look around this open floor plan. Similar to the BD-22, this home is an open floor plan. The kitchen opens up to the living and dining areas. These are great for entertaining family and friends. Again, we have this large kitchen island. This is even a little bit larger than the last kitchen island that we showed. Check out that video. But this is an example of end cabinets for the kitchen island. Silvercrest also did a beautiful job with some detail work. Take a look at this right here. It really dresses up the legs of the breakfast bar and kitchen island. In this breakfast bar, you could fit 2 people comfortably. You could probably even squeeze a 3rd bench in there. Again, we added this farmhouse sink. Farmhouse sinks are a very popular item today. You could do this white ceramic farmhouse sink, or you could go stainless steel. I've even seen some of them black. So you do have options. This black gooseneck faucet. This is a hot item. Do not forget to put a gooseneck faucet with sprayer in your home. These pennant lights, customers love them. Anytime we add a kitchen island, we always have these pennant lights. Stainless steel kitchen appliances with these white cabinets. White or black kitchen appliances would look fabulous. All of Silvercrest's cabinets are hardwood and soft closing. If you have kids that slam those doors shut, you know the value in soft hinge closing doors. We have these beautiful Whirlpool appliances come with your brand new Silvercrest manufactured home. I almost forgot. Here's the white tile backsplash. If you wanted to match these quartz countertops to your backsplash, you could do a 6-inch backsplash, or you could have it go all the way up to the cabinets. Those are options. With this open floor plan, you still have a nice dining area where you could put a round kitchen table with some chairs. You could put it over here, or you could put it over here, depending on how large of a table you have. Over here is where your entertainment center would go. You could have a nice sofa, put a chair over there, a coffee table, and a nice entertainment center. So this is a very large area. It's much larger than it looks, and it's great for entertaining. So let's take a look at the rest of this manufactured home. We're gonna head to the master bedroom, but before we get to the master bedroom, I wanna show you this utility room. You have room for a stackable washer and dryer. We added a door over the furnace to make it a lot quieter. If the furnace turns on in the night, you can sleep through the noise. A lot of our customers always request more storage. We've added these linen closets. These are beautiful white cabinet doors. These modern rails, they have a little bit of a farmhouse touch to them. Over here, we have the guest bedroom. Let's go take a look inside. In this room, you can easily fit a queen size bed right here on this wall with some nightstands. You could put your dresser on this wall. It's nice, you get some fresh air, and you do have good size sliding closet doors. So this is a good size guest room or second room if you do have kids or family living with you. Here, as we're heading into the master bedroom, this is the guest bathroom. The guest bathroom has standard a tub shower combo. You can always option in a walk-in shower if that's something that you would like to do. Check out this master bedroom. This is a very large master bedroom. I wouldn't recommend any changes. You can fit your king size bed, your dressers, your mirrors. You have this walk-in closet. They did a great job with this master bedroom, and now this master bathroom's even better. So over here in the master bathroom, we have a dual sink, cabinets, and this bank of drawers. I highly recommend adding a bank of drawers. If you want more counter space, you can always eliminate one of these sinks. You don't have to have two sinks, but this is a beautiful tile walk-in shower. It's all the black hardware. Check this out, all this stone ribbon going through. This is a beautiful master bathroom. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the Silvercrest Bradford BD-21. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave them in the comment section. We also appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. We premiere new and pre-owned manufactured home tours on a daily basis. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell, and we'll see you next time.